Hi, my name is Louise from High Stream Gear, and in this video we'll see how to open and close our foldable trekking poles. First, we're going to open the Velcro strap and let the two sections fall and connect to each other. Then we're going to find the third section, which is hidden inside the handle. Pull it out and connect it to the other two parts. Then pull it out even more until you see the lock popping out. Then you're going to hear a click. I'll do it again. To adjust the height, we need to open the flip lock, pull the handle up, and you'll see a scale above it. Then you'll see the stop sign. Do not pass the stop line. Even if you do, the handle will come off like that, which is no problem. You just need to put it back in place and then fasten. It is important not to go past the stop sign when choosing the correct height for you. Behind the flip lock, you can see the silver knob. You can twist it. If you loosen it too much, you will see that the flip lock closes, but the handle still moves up and down, and it is not secure. If you tighten the silver knob too much, like this, then you'll see that the flip lock doesn't close. You need to find something in the middle where the flip lock closes tightly and locks the handle in place. And that's it. To close the pole, open the flip lock, push the handle back down and close the flip lock again. Push in the lock and the top section into the handle, and the other two sections just fold up. And we're done. If you have any questions or need more assistance, don't hesitate to contact us via our site, highstreamgear.com. Thank you for watching.